Okay, so I've just been looking, and on the last video I've managed to make it really long, so I just want to make a smaller or shorter one to focus on string handling, but just focus on the 4 things that Cambridge say, just so it's quicker and easier for people when they are revising. Okay, so on this video I'm just going to focus on the length of the strings, substrings, dot uppers and dot lowers. All right, so let's make a start on this. So I'm just going to create, first of all, open up idle and create a new file, and I'm just going to save it as essential strings for iGCSE. Okay, so the other video is still very applicable, okay, but if you haven't got time to sit and watch all of them, this one is a shorter one to help you out. So first of all, let's make our string. So let's just call it test like we did before and make it equal to let's see, this is a test string. Okay, now if we go back to, if we keep this to one side so we can look at the ones that we're going to be looking at in this video, and we got Python here, not there, so we can just go through it. So first of all, let's have a look at the length. So we can say here print and len and then test, and this will hopefully print the not F4, F5 length of the thing. You can see 21 characters long. Okay, so let's look at the next one. So if we want substring, I can say print and then test and then use square brackets for the substring. I want to start me, let's start at position 2 and I'll go all the way to position 6 and then close square brackets, close curly brackets, and if I run that, you'll see it prints out between the range I've set. Next one, dot upper. So if I'll do the dot upper and the dot lower together. So if I say print test dot upper, and if I say print test dot lower, and I run that, you'll see it runs the test dot upper and test dot lower one after the other. One's in all capitals and one's in all lowers. Okay, so this is the basic of what Cambridge expects you to be able to do. All right, so we've looked at the lower, which is here. We've looked at the upper, which is here. We've looked at the substring, which is this one here. And we've looked at the length, which is this one here. Okay, so that is essential strings for Cambridge. But please give my other video a look out if you have the time, because there is some important and very useful things in there. All right, see you next time.